Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sound card for recording on a laptop. Using an external sound card is an easy method to dramatically enhance your audio recording quality. It provides dedicated, high-fidelity inputs for your microphones and instruments, bypassing the often limited capabilities of your laptop's built-in sound. This simple upgrade can transform your home studio setup, making professional-sounding recordings much more accessible for everyone. Selecting the right sound card is straightforward. Most modern interfaces connect via USB. Ensure it is compatible with your laptop's operating system, whether Windows or Mac OS. Simply plug the sound card into an open USB port on your laptop. Then, connect your microphone, guitar, or other instrument directly into the sound card's input jacks. These are typically XLR for microphones and quarter-inch for instruments, ensuring a secure and clear signal path. Once connected, you'll likely need to install drivers for your sound card. These are usually found on the manufacturer's website or included on a disc. After installation, open your preferred recording software, such as Audacity or GarageBand. Go into the audio settings or preferences and select your new external sound card as both the input and output device. This ensures all audio signals are routed correctly through your high-quality interface. For optimal recordings, always adjust the input gain on your sound card. This prevents clipping, which sounds like distortion, ensuring a clean signal. Use headphones for monitoring your audio. This prevents feedback loops and allows you to hear exactly what is being recorded. Finally, record in the quietest environment possible. Even small background noises can be amplified, so minimizing them will result in much clearer and more professional sounding tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.